our county that owns the US Embassy, our county that owns so many things that is recognized worldwide, has been turned into a trash. Portal everywhere, hawkers everywhere. Our transport system in the county is very disorganized. Corruption has gone to a higher level that is raising an alarm. I want to direct my point to the governor himself, the Sakaja. The Sakaja, we are enough, and enough is enough. We gave you our votes, and we voted for you with all our hearts, but you have messed us as the people of Nairobi County. What I want to tell you, Mr. Sakaja, that you have stolen enough. Whatever you promised us that you will be able to manage to give us one permit that will cut across all business, be it small or large, be it small scale or large scale. You promised us when you were campaigning that you will only offer us one permit that will cut across all business in Nairobi County. But you have failed as your boss, William Ruto, because you also promised us things that you yourself you cannot afford to deliver. Governor Sakaja, enough is enough. We are coming for you and will not leave you. Look at the transport sector. Look at our health sector. Go to Ngara Health Center. It is not good at all. The situation is pathetic. Go to our all dispensaries that are within our ghettos. Is very pathetic. The situation in Nairobi healthcare is very pathetic, and other sectors that I will not mention today. Governor Sakaja, can you do as much as you can, please? We are tired of your corruption. You are tired of you being tribalism. Yes, you voted out the Gachagua because he is very much tribal. You are one of the most governor who is very corrupt, very tribal. You are full of corruption and you are an absentee. You cannot even report, you cannot even answer all questions that the Auditor General is asking you about your expenditures in the county government. You signed a bill that will build an hospital in Mulango Kubwa Ward. 40 million that 20 million that was to be used to build a small stadium that was to bring up the talent of young people in our loved ward Mulango Kubwa. Governor Sakaja, you have stolen enough, and we are not going to tolerate this at all. Governor Sakaja, all those permits that are not everywhere, all ghost workers that are in the Nairobi County. Our county is very dirty. Hawkers are very indisciplined, nowhere even to step. Even the alcohol, people who are taking alcohol cannot even walk. Hawkers everywhere, portal everywhere. Even if you check, even today if you walk in Nairobi City, lagoons everywhere, smelling. Governor Sakaja, are you ashamed of yourself? Why don't you come up yourself? Why don't you walk along the city so that you can check on what is going on in the city? Governor Sakaja, don't just wait in your office, but it is a silent before the storm. Thank you very much, and I am coming for you in your office.